Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Veikk A50, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up the mapping of this device. So basically, it's very easy to do. You need to open the Veikk tablet. Here, find the mapping, and here just choose the screen mapping. For example, I want to use on the second monitor to move using my pen tablet. And as you can see, I'm using it right now. I can change the working area. For example, I can choose only one part, only right part to use it, for example. As you can see now, this part of pen tablet isn't working. As you can see, it's not working area. Great, but I wanna change it to normal mode. And of course we can use a left hand mode, but it's very uncomfortable because if I'm moving up, I'm moving down in a real world. Down it's up, left it's right, right it's left. So I think it's not left hand mode, but it's strange mode. And great, and of course we can always restore default settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.